Hello again, everyone. Saka here, and I come to you today with some exciting news. And as you can see on the screen, we are here on Joey Gase Racing's Facebook page. And on Twitter, Joey Gase tweeted out, if you are interested in sponsorship for the upcoming race this Sunday at Talladega, send our PR people, give them a shout. And I did, and take a look at there, everyone. The channel will be on the back of a Cup car on a nationally televised broadcast driven by Joey Gase. And I can't thank Rick Ware Racing and Joey Gase and his team enough for this opportunity. I'm not a big channel by any stretch of the imagination, but I put 5 years into this channel, growing it, cultivating it into something that I am proud of and something that I would like to put out to the world. And I took a chance, and they accepted me with open arms. They're promoting me on their channels, and it's just a great feeling. And if you're tuning in for the first time, perhaps you saw the posts on Joey's Twitter or Facebook, and you wonder, who is this guy? Why should I subscribe to him? The long and short of it, I'm not arrogant enough to say that you should. But please check me out. All I'm asking is a chance. Just tune in, watch some NASCAR videos. I've done 3 straight seasons of NASCAR Racing 2003 season sim racing every week during the regular season. If you're a gamer, I've got some stuff on my channel that you might like as well. It's family friendly. I want everyone who wants to be a part of the community to be a part, and I don't want anyone to feel left out. I want to be a channel that you can go to and watch with your kids or your younger siblings or your friends and laugh and have a great time. Coming up, there's some strategy games I like to play. I like to play space games. I like to play simulators. I like to race, obviously. Racing is a big part of my life, and that's why I am so stoked and thankful for this opportunity provided to me by Joey Gase's team to just be on the car, to imagine Cup guys giving Joey a push at Talladega and seeing Sakakina Risa games right in front of them, right out of their windshield. You know, it's effective. Even Kevin Harvick in real life said, I'm going to have dreams about kids eating free, because he followed Dave Blaney's Golden Corral car around, and all he saw for many, many laps was top 10, kids eat free. So hopefully this will bring some new eyes to the channel, and if you are new, please consider subscribing. I'm not forcing you to, but all you're out is time. And of course, time is very precious. So I'm asking only for a little bit of it, to watch some videos, see if you like the personality, see if you like the gameplay, see if I'm someone that you'd like to interact with. And I thank you again to Rick Ware Racing. Thank you to Joey Gase. Best of luck on Sunday, Joey. And if you watch this and you get caught up in a wreck, make sure to point the rear end towards the camera, please. But that will do it for me. Just a short video announcing my sponsorship, and thank you again. But like, share, and subscribe if you are so bold. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Take care.